In this video, I want to tell you about the sale of bestroofbox.com, my Amazon affiliate website. Well, actually, let me be straight with you. I'm not selling bestroofbox.com. Well, not yet anyway. What I'm doing is selling a copy of bestroofbox.com that you can use to create your very own affiliate marketing website. And when I say create, I've actually done a lot of the heavy lifting for you. For one very low fee, I'm now offering a copy of bestroofbox.com in template form. It looks just like this. As you can see, it looks like bestroofbox.com. The colours are different. In fact, you can change the colours to be whatever you want them to be. And it's pretty much ready to go. All you need to do is choose your niche or your niche, add your logo and start adding your content. I've also packaged it up with 1 year's super fast hosting, and I'm offering it to all of you people out there for one low fee. I'm also promising to deliver your brand new site within 72 hours. So if you're looking for a quick way to get an affiliate marketing website online, stay tuned. Hello, it's Alex here. I hope you're all well. So yeah, this video is a little bit of an advert. I've got a brand new service that I'm offering in partnership with Spiderweb Hosting, which of course is Phil. You may be familiar with him. He's often on my live streams and he looks after all of my customers' websites and servers. So basically, in a nutshell, what it is a copy of my website, bestroofbox.com, which if you're a regular on the channel, you'll know that I've been getting pretty good success with. It was launched back in March and it's been growing steadily ever since then. You can, of course, see exactly what I've been doing with the site and how well it's doing in the bestroofbox.com playlist. I'll put a link up to that now. Do go and check that out. So yeah, it's a templated version of that website. It's all ready to go, ready for you to add your content, add your logo, change your colors, and go live. And I'm offering it on some super fast hosting for a low fee of just $225. That includes your first year's hosting and everything you need in order to get up and running. Now my site uses a couple of premium plugins. It uses Elementor Pro and it uses Ultimate add-ons for Elementor just to do a few fancy things with the site. Of course, that is optional, but those plugins will be installed. And if you want, updates and stuff on those, you will need to get your own license. But yeah, that's completely optional. And that's basically all there is to it. For that one low fee, you get your website, you're ready to go, and you just got to add your content. It's something that a lot of you have been asking me for over the many months, and I've just kind of been saying no. Basically, people ask me all the time if I will create them a site, and yeah, I simply haven't got the time to do that. So this is my solution to that, and yeah, it's ready to go, and we promise to get your site up within 72 hours. So yeah, it's really quick. But anyway, if you want to find out more information, I'll put a link up to the page on WP Eagle, which tells you all about the service, and of course has a form on there so you can place your order if you want one. If you've got any questions regarding this, leave me a comment below or drop me an email. My email address is eagle@wpeagle.com. I'll do my best to answer as quickly as I possibly can. But anyway, that brings the end of this video. I hope this service is of interest to you. If it is, I'm looking forward to working with you. If it isn't, then, well, I wish you the best of luck with your site anyway. Until next time, bye for now.